Hello everyone, I am Thomas the Tank Engine Logan, 2020 E2 Productions here, and today I'm going to do a Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends redub, Season 1. So, the first episode is Thomas and Gordon because it's the main episode. So, go write the link in the description and who you want to be. Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Henrietta, Bertie, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, and the others. So, make sure to get your lines ready for Thomas and Gordon. In the next episode, Edward and Gordon, because whatever, and then it's the side story of Henry, Edward and Gordon Henry, a big day for Thomas and trucks, and Thomas saved the day, and yeah, that's the rest of the episodes. So, link in the description. So, get your lines ready for Thomas the Tank Engine Friends redub.